What's up, ladies? Thank you so much for tuning in to another wig review, and here we are. Big thank you to DIVASWIGS for sending out this unit, and whoo, baby, we got a lot to cover with this unit. So if you are interested in purchasing, direct link to this unit as well as DIVASWIGS website in the description box down. All right, ladies, so I love this head wrap so much that yes, you are seeing 2 intros in a row. So big thank you to DIVASWIGS for reaching out to your girl and sending out this unit. But baby, I'm gonna cut to the chase. I don't know about this color, y'all. Yeah, moment of silence. Yeah, I just do not know about this color, boo. This is a yellow blonde. You know we do not do yellow blondes on this channel. So just a couple of specs on this unit. This is another T-part lace wig. If you are not familiar with what that is, you basically have lace in the front, not really a frontal. You have a little bit of parting space, a little bit of plication available in that hairline, but you do have a middle part, hence your T-part wig. So I will leave the specs for this unit, of course, in the description box down below. If you are interested in purchasing, of course, hit up all that information. Now, baby, we are going to have to do some work on this unit, so I'm going to go ahead, shut up, and as always, slay accordingly. Alright, boom. So check it. I'm not going to bore you with how I had to go in and tone this very yellow blonde because I know a lot of you out there who watch me ain't nobody got time for that. So we going to cut to the chase. So straight out of the pack, the curls are pretty much all over the place. This is not going to be a styled unit. You do have the highlighted blonde in the front, which I really tried my best to keep. And of course, it is a highlighted toned wig. So you do have different shades of yellow blonde. So with that being said, the parting space on here is pretty good. However, as I did mention, this is a T-part unit. So you really do not have like a frontal hairline type of effect, sis. But we are going to keep this super quick, super simple, super natural. So you will basically see me install this unit after I did tone it. But I did want to include what I used. So of course I did use a mixing bowl. Duh. I also went in with the Wella Color Charm in the color T18, I believe. And then I did also go back in and I dyed this unit with a box color. I'll leave that information in the description box down below. And guess who pulled out the razor comb, sis, and started snipping them layers, sis? Me. That's who. So you will see me like go to town on this wig before I fully install it, makeup free, before the glam. Oh yes, and it was one of them off makeup days. I don't want to talk about it.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.
Okay. So I'm already predicting what's going to happen. This is going to be one of those where we celebrate growth type of moments. Yeah, because baby. Expectation versus reality with this unit on 10, you know. And I must say, I'm going to toot my own horn. I don't think I did too bad, considering this was my first time layering a unit and styling it po. It's not gonna be like perfect, and I know that, and that's the whole purpose of me doing this video. I know a lot of times we buy these units, we see the pretty pictures, and it's not always what we expect, and this was another go round, but I'm actually okay with it, even with the color. I think this can be a pretty much shock to the system, but I think it came out okay. I'm just making sure that my part is straight, which it does. It looks pretty much straight. I think what's throwing it off is just this right here. I wish I would have dyed this part just a little bit more, but I think overall the color did come out well. I did tone this, and I also followed up with some hair dye. I'll have everything that I used in the description box down below. But baby, let me tell you, as far as the hair is concerned, this hair has actually held up damn good. Baby, I have washed it, conditioned it, I toned it, I shampooed it again, then I toned it again, and then I added some hair dye, and this is the result. So I'm actually okay with it. I'm gonna get better as time goes. This falls right in the line with what I want to do in the future. Long future. But I'm really getting into trying to style these units and just get them more to my liking. So I think she came out pretty good, boo. Yeah. So if you are interested in the information for this unit, definitely hit up DIVASWIGS. I'll have a direct link to this unit, as well as their store, in the description box down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning into another wig review. Let's chat it up in the comments down below. Before you leave, make sure you do smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, share the video with your family, your friends, and your frenemy down the street, boo. Take care, ladies. Stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. I'm seriously going to be on the verge of tears. So first and foremost, we did reach 12,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you so much to all of you if you have followed me. If not, shameless plug, hit that description box down below, sis. Second of all, thank you so much for the support on that clothing haul that I recently did. You have no idea how long that actually took me to upload. Like, I'm seriously getting emotional. I know we all have like things that we're self-conscious about, things that we wish we could change, and I never wanted to start this platform coming out perfect or this unobtainable type of trend that I know the majority of us can't meet. For me, I am very self-conscious of my stomach, my belly, my gut, whatever you want to call it. 2 C-sections later, here I am. And even though I am trying to work on that beauty from within and dealing with it and embracing it and trying to change it, it still bugs me. So the fact that you all appreciated it and loved it and supported it and continue to view it, it definitely means the world to me. I cannot thank all of you enough. So thank you so much to all of you for the support. It really means a lot. I'm not gonna cry. So if you are interested in checking out that video, I will have it linked down in the card in the corner and also down below. So thank you, ladies. Take care of yourself. Keep loving on yourself. Put yourself first. You have to put yourself first before your kids. Sorry. You have to put yourself first. You can't give them 100% if you are running at 25. So thank you so much to all of you. Take care of yourselves. Love on each other. And I will talk to you all in the next one.
You wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go on.